The Tonkin Snub-Nosed monkey is one of the world's most endangered primates. Now, following a new population census, conservation experts with Fauna Flora have been able to confirm that their numbers are stable. Most exciting of all, a number of baby monkeys were seen during the survey, the miniest members of a population in the Khau species and habitat conservation area in Vietnam. The survey has estimated that their numbers here are up to 160 individuals. The numbers still aren't where we'd like them to be, but it's a reassuring sign that they remain stable. And with 3 infants spotted across 2 groups, it spells hope for the future. The conservation experts also say they didn't see any evidence of trapping or hunting. Poaching was once one of the biggest threats to the Tonkin Snub-Nosed monkey, but today their biggest challenges are habitat loss and deforestation due to agricultural expansion. It's hoped that restoring this degraded habitat and creating wildlife corridors can contribute to population growth and cement a healthy future for these remarkable primates. Like many species of snub-nosed monkeys, Tonkin snub-nosed monkeys have very large lips. It's thought they are used for social signalling, as some males' lips get redder during mating season. How very fabulous.